Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a Zoom meeting link. Start by opening the Zoom app on your desktop. Wait a moment for it to fully load. Once the app is open, make sure you are signed in to your account. After you are signed in, look at the home screen. You will see several options. Find the button that says New Meeting and click on it. This will open a new meeting window. Next, click on Start if the meeting does not begin automatically. Your meeting will now be live. You may see your camera and microphone options on the screen. Now, to create and copy your invite link, move your cursor to the bottom of the meeting window. Look for the menu bar and find the Participants option. Click on Participants. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen. In this panel, look for a button labeled Invite. Click on Invite. A new window will open with different options for inviting people. In this window, find the button that says Copy Invite Link. Click on it once. The invite link is now copied to your clipboard. You can paste this link into a message, email, or any platform where you want to share it. Anyone who receives this link can use it to join your meeting. Thanks for watching.